Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Limbus company game black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Android devices. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the temporary fix is to open close Limbus company app for 10 times and set all graphics settings to low. So the temporary fix is to simply open and close the app for 10 times. Just open the app and then close it, then again open the app and then close the app, and do this for the 10 times, and then check if the black screen problem is solved or not. If not, then also if it is crashing, then set all graphic settings to low and then check. So simply set the all graphic settings to low and then check. If it's still not fixed, then you can also turn off the game volumes and then check. Now for the permanent fix, you have to wait for developer to release a patch fix or hotfix for the game. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Limbus company black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.